What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing an install on my 2018 Nissan Titan, and we are going to be installing LED lights. Let's take a look at the brand. Alright, so we have the LASFIT LED lights. These are H11 for the low beams. They are a plug and play. So let's take a look at the location. So I'm just going to reach in and grab it. So counterclockwise. Okay, there's one. This one's at the connector. Connected. Okay. It was kept on when I put it in, it kept on twisting. I was like wondering why. And when I pulled it out, it didn't have the red piece on. So on this one, you can push up the red piece. And I've never seen that. All right, we'll go to the other side right now. Counterclockwise, pull out. Pop the clip off. The bulb right there. Connect this guy. And let's install clockwise. It's in. You can see it sticking out right there. The GoPro could not get in here because there's this side's blocking it, so I couldn't film anything, but they're both in. Now let's see how they turn on. I know it's still daylight outside, but okay, that one's not on, but this one is. Hopefully straight out. And turn it around. Turn it. If not, it's a dud. So let's see. So I'll hold it by the wire. Boom. So I just turned it around. Alright guys, so yesterday night I drove through the canyon with the halogen lights to show you how it looks without the LEDs. And right now let's do a drive when it gets a little darker through the canyon, showing how the LEDs look. That is a big difference. This road is pitch black at night. Alright guys, so I just got back and you guys can tell the difference on the LEDs to the halogen. Amazing quality, easy install. As you see in the video right there, I do recommend these lights. I'm not just saying them because I have them. They are awesome. Please check them out. The link will be down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.